Okay, so the seat is in. Oops. So I was hoping for the plumbing parts, or the first of the plumbing parts, to arrive. I've got some valves and fittings coming, but they haven't arrived, so I'll have to do this instead. And I think this is the way this works. Look, there's a little clunk thing there to stop it. So if I just made that so that came out on a spring, and then it could slide past it somehow, or you just pull it out, probably keep it simple. How would we do it? It needs to be completely off. Well, let's just drill it out to start with. So now, see how far back it goes. See, that's is that enough? I'd like it to go all the way back, really. I'll have to trim this bit off. Let's try and do this at least semi-neat. Right, let's try that. Better. Would I want it to go any more than that? Probably not. Let's try it inside. Okay, wide angle lens. Okay, seat's on, and goes back to about there, which I think should be able to get back to stuff. I think that's probably about right. So all I've got to do is just get something that clicks in there, hold that in place. I think that'll be fine. Now, I'm not intending to have to get to the back of here, but just in case, I want to be able to quickly flick the seat down and get to the back if I need to modify anything or set anything or whatever. So I think that's pretty much it. Alright, so I've managed to clean the seat up actually from the little bits that I've scuffed on it. And I think what I'm going to do for these side pieces here is I'm just going to keep it really simple, and I'm just going to get, that's just a bolt, but I'm just going to get one of those stainless steel plunge, I don't know what you call it, there's like a little ball, sprung ball in it, and I'll get one of them, and you just stick them in, and that'll do it. I mean, keep it simple. I don't want anything complicated on this boat. So if I just have one that you push through there, that's it. That'll do. So I'll just get some of those. What are they? These look like 10. 8. So 8mm ball plunger thingies. put this away. So I've got a bit of time. I've been taking quite a while modifying Jodie B's drop weights. I've just got this one bracket to finish off, so I'm just going to finish this off now. I'm not going to labour the point on this, but I want to get it ready for start getting Jodie B ready for diving. Oh dear, here we go. Okay, so I've put a first coat of the top coat on the inside. It's just, and obviously it needs another coat. I didn't put all paint totally around those brackets because the grey paint was still a little bit wet. So paint went on really nicely actually. I was quite impressed with the paint. But it's just such a horrible job, and painted down there with the broom handle is really tricky. So I mean, it's not the best paint work in the world, I know, but go for another coat. Anyway, so I'm really liking this paint. It's really good. It's nice and tough. And I've just got to go for another coat, which is a real nuisance, but got to get on with it. Okay. I've done it. Finished, painted. I think there's just going to be a few little bits I'm just going to have to touch up here and there, but generally I think it's pretty good. And I've done another coat on that. I've done another coat on that as well. So paint done. So inside coating is done now.